What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've done this type of video. My hair is currently straight, obviously, and I'm going to be putting in some flexi rods to give me some body for tomorrow. Hopefully it comes out how I'm wanting it to, and also to help preserve my straight hair. So it's been straight now for about a little bit over a week, so it's getting a little oily, just a little bit. My scalp is starting to get dry, but we're still gonna go ahead and see what these flexi rods can do for us. These are the flexi rods that I'm using. These are the purple ones, and it says 7/8. I got them from my beauty supply store, and there's 6 in each pack. So I think I'm just gonna use 2. I brought 3 just in case, but I don't think I'll need that many. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flexi rod my hair. You know, back when I used to get sew-ins, I would love flexi rods. So we're gonna see what these purple ones, these thicker purple ones, can do for us. And yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, flexi rod my hair. Nothing too crazy. I usually try to flexi rod away from my face. Some might go towards. The cool thing about flexi rods is they don't have to be like super perfect. At least not for the look I'm going for. So let's just get into it. Before I do the flexi rods, I think I will just put a little bit of edge control along my edges, just a little. And this edge control is from She Is Bomb collection. I'll show the packaging once I finish. But this edge control is really nice. You see? Look at that. This is how the packaging looks. You can't see that well with the settings. I have my camera on currently, but this was also found at my beauty supply store. All right, so I'm just going to section my hair and add the flexi rods. I'm not being super specific as far as sizing of the sections. I'm just trying to put them in. All right, got those 2 done. As you can see, I kind of struggled a little bit. I don't know if you could tell. It's a lot easier to do flexi rods with like super long hair. I feel like it's easier with weave, but we are working with our hair, so just trying to do the best that I can. So this is the next little section. I'm probably gonna split this in 2. this little section right here is giving me a hard time. But I am done with the flexi rods. I use 11. So here's my other pack that I did not use. And yeah, we are going to shower, go to sleep, and I'll be back tomorrow. So it's currently 7:20 on a Saturday. And I'm gonna take these out tomorrow, maybe about noon. So that should give them enough time to set, and hopefully tomorrow we have some body and some curls, and we get the look that I'm going for. So I'll turn around so you can see. This is how it looks. Now sleeping is not fun with flexi rods. That compared with the bump, probably won't get the best sleep tonight, but do what you gotta do sometimes for your hair. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alrighty, so it's not as curly as I thought it would be. It is actually 7 o'clock the next day. So it's been a full 24 hours, but I still have a little bit of curls. So I am just going to brush it out. All right, so this is what we are working with. I do like it. I like it a lot, actually. I just have to figure out how to get more of a curl towards the middle and the top, because the end curled really nicely, but the top didn't. But I still do like the final look with the, you know, the curl and the body towards the bottom. So yeah, I like this. I just added a little bit of oil to the ends, and this is what we're working with. So I really like how it turned out. I ended up using 11 of the purple flexi rods. Using these will give you really nice, voluminous, effortless, pretty flowy, heatless curls. It can also help you preserve the silk press. So definitely gonna start using these more often. I don't know if I'll continue to wrap them every night all the way up to the scalp, because sleeping was not fun. It was not fun, and my scalp just feels like so much better now that they're out. So tonight I'll probably just do the ends. The next time I roll them all the way up, I think I need to not roll the hair on top of each other so much, but roll it up more around the rod before I bend it, to give more of the middle and the root a curl and not just the end, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you don't have any flexi rods, get you some flexi rods, girl. They're only $3 the pack at the beauty supply store, and you never know when you might need them. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos are on the way, and I will see you in my next one.